In this tutorial, I will guide you how to download and install mods on Euro Truck Simulator 2. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. There are two ways you can use to download and install mods. The first one is through Steam. Now if you do have the game through Steam, I'll show you all the methods, including download it from the internet or through Steam. Now if you have the game on Steam, just select here on Euro Truck Simulator 2, then select here on Workshop. Once you select here on Workshop, then you can choose any mod that would like to download it. For example, let's say you want to just have this mod here, which is Scania Super 80 paint job. Or you can select here most subscribed to check the mods that are most likely subscribed. You can just select, let's say you want to install this mod, which is a realistic track physics mod. So just click on it. And then you'll see an option here to subscribe. So if you click here, subscribe, and then this mod will be available on Euro Truck Simulator 2. Now let me show you on how to activate it and see it. So we can just launch your game here. So let me play this game. Then I'm going to play. Upon launching your game, you can select here on mods. And then you can see here realistic track physics mod. Now to activate it, since it's inactive, if you see here a gray color means it's inactive. Now to activate it, you just need to double click on it and it will be active. Then you can confirm changes. Now if you select here on mods and then select this question mark here, it will show you all the colors and the meaning. For example, a red color means mod with this icon is incompatible. Green color means mod with this icon is activated and it will be loaded. And this gray color mode with this icon is installed but is not yet activated. So to activate it, you just need to double click on this color here to activate it. Now let me show you another way you can use to download and install mods. Another way is through the internet. Now let me just cancel this, then quit the game, select yes. Now you can just go on your Google or any search engine and then search for ETS2 mods, then click search. Now I prefer this site. There are lots of sites you can use to download the mods, but I just prefer this one from the first result. Now let's say you want to download the track mods. Now I can choose any mod that would like. Now I would like this one, so I'll select it, scroll down, and then you see an option to download. So click download. And then you have to scroll down and select generate link to download it. And click the second time if the download has not yet started. There are lots of pop-up ads, so just click download. And then to check if the file has started downloading. Now here's being downloaded. Now wait for it to finish. And then you can open the file, copy this SCS file. So copy it, go to your documents, then look for Euro Truck Simulator 2. And then you'll see the mod folder here. Now just make sure to paste this. After pasting, then you can launch the game. So I'm going to play it. Just select play. Then select here on mods. And then you'll see this is Scania Streamline mod that you have downloaded. To activate it, simply double click it and it will be active. Now let me show you how you can see this is Scania Streamline. It will be able to purchase it. So confirm first changes and then just select here continue career. Now to see it, just select here on your company, then select garage manager. And then select on truck dealers, then select access mode dealer, and you'll see this is Scania here. Now it's being sold for this one price. As you can see, I don't have enough money to purchase it. Maybe you can take a bank loan, and after taking a bank loan, then you'll be able to purchase it. I also installed this Marco Polo and I've already purchased it. That's why I can drive this truck. But for this one, I'll have to take some jobs or take some loan and I'll be able to just use this Scania Streamline mode. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this does help you, and see you next time.